Hello student, welcome to our English class. From last video we starting the lesson number 3.2 7 sister. In last video we completed some sisters. Now let us start our next sister is Nagaland. The name of our next sister is Nagaland. The state capital is Kohima. Here the Nagaland is capital is Kohima. State is mostly mountainous. Yes student, hello, I am Nagaland. Let us start our next sister Nagaland. Hello, I am Nagaland, one of the smallest states of India. Nagaland is the very smallest state in our country, called the Switzerland of the East. Nagaland is also called as Switzerland of the East. Here we have a land of folklore passed down through generation with the music as an integral part of our life. Yes, student, one of the smallest state of India. Nagaland is the one of the smallest state of India is also called as Switzerland of the East. Here we have land of folklore passed down through generations with music as an integral part of our life. The exquisitely picturesque landscape, the vibrantly colorful sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant flora makes my land unimaginably beautiful. Very beautiful scenery in Nagaland state. So here we have a land of folklore past. We have a land of folklore past down through generations with music as an integral part of our life. Integral means essential part of our life. The exquisitely picturesque landscape and vibrantly colorful sunrise and sunset. In Nagaland, very colorful sunrise and sunset. Lush and verdant flora makes my land unimaginably beautiful. Vibrant means full of life and energy. Verdant means fresh and green. The state capital of Kohima. The state is mostly mountainous. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with the height of about 3,840 meters, and its range forms a natural barrier between the Nagaland and Burma. Nagaland is the state is mostly mountainous. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with height of about 3,840 meters, and its range form a natural barrier between Nagaland and Burma. Barrier means an object that prevents people from moving from one place to another. Barrier means object which moving from one place to another. There are over 16 tribes and sub-tribes that inhabit my exotic hill state, each with its own unique, colorful and intricately designed costumes, jewelry and beads that adorn them. Today many of my young people have ventured into fashion, designing, creating fabrics that blend our traditional motifs with modern appeal. So much so I have become a paradise for those who are into the fashion designing. People refer to me as an affluent fashion station of the East. Affluent means rich, wealthy fashion. Rich. Affluent means rich and wealthy fashion station of the East. Motif means design. Dear student, my land is an ideal place. In Nagaland, the land is ideal place of trekking, rock climbing, jungle camping and offers limitless exploration possibilities in its lush and verdant. Subtropical rainforest. Here we have an abundance of medicinal herbs too, like tulsi, aloe vera. I am known as the falcon capital of the world. The great Indian hornbill is one of the most famous bird found here. In Nagaland, here this falcon capital of the world, the great Indian hornbill is one of the most famous bird found in Nagaland. Nagas by nature are lovers of fun and frolic, and here life is one of the long festival. Dance and songs are parcel of our festivals. In Nagaland, dance and songs are the parcel of our festivals. Most of our dances are performed with the robust rhythm. If you love colorful life, appreciates ethnic costumes and traditions with their unique songs, dance and festivals. In Nagaland, the famous for the costumes and tradition with their unique dance, unique songs and festivals. You must come to our Naga Heritage Village, which showcases our cultural heritage, to come and participate in our Great Hornbill Festival. In Nagaland, the Hornbill Festival is very popular festival. So student, lastly, to come and participate in our Great Hornbill Festival.